Alright guys, I'm going to run this mini here for Alan to fill the main. I do not have spots in the mini, I only have spots in the main, that's why I'm running it. We are going to go live. Time will be 5:38 p.m. April 22nd. We are live. 5:38 p.m. April 22nd. We will grab our list. 55 spots. Top 3 win spots in the main. Alright, we're going to drop this in. Bill Carroll on the bottom, Bill Carroll on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice shows an 8. Next click, tops 3 spots win. And 8. Congrats to Jerry, Timmy, and Justin. You guys are the winners. You can go on the main post in order and claim your spots. We are done 5:39 p.m. Go back to the post. We will type done. 5:39 p.m. 5:39 p.m. Scroll down to the bottom. Timestamp and verification.